The Advanced ADX Indicator is offered for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can download the indicator file for the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms and execute it on the chart. Also, the hot deal to know how the indicator works and how it works can be owned by this page. From the Navigator section, we select the indicator file and execute the indicator by dragging the file onto the chart. Just pay attention to activate this port and its tick from the complete section of the ELO-DEL option, and then click the confirmation option. When the indicator is activated, an oscillator window opens at the bottom of the chart. The Advanced ADX Indicator is an advanced and enhanced version of ADX that is displayed as a histogram. The functionality of the indicator uses 3 ADX oscillator lines, and when the positive DI is above the negative DI, the histogram displays blue bars. When the negative DI is above the positive DI, the histogram changes to red. The size of the histogram bars represents the value of ADX in the settings under the input section. There are options available for us. The first part relates to the display settings, which include the theme or custom template of the indicator, divided into 3 sections: light, dark, and custom. By selecting the light option, a light template is applied to the chart. The template on my chart is set to dark when the dark option is selected, and by choosing custom, you can keep your personalized template, which only runs the indicator on the chart. The next section pertains to the indicator settings, where you can change the ADX period settings, which is set to 13 by default. Here, I select the dark template and change the ADX period to 21, and then I click on confirm. Here my template changed to dark and the ADX period also changed. Well friends, we have reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We would be happy if you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comment section.